Welcome back to the Oakhouse channel for another house tour. My name is Eileen and you might have seen me in the other Sharehouse's videos. So guess where are we today? We are in Kobe. This sharehouse is in a super convenient location and very cute sharehouse. Let's talk about Kobe for a second. Kobe is a vibrant port city in western Japan, famous for its stunning mountain and sea scenery and of course Kobe beef and the international vibe. Plus, it's really easy to access to Kyoto and Osaka, so Kobe is a hidden gem to explore. This house is located under 10 minutes walk to the nearest station, Uozaki, and that station is very convenient. You can get to Osaka in 30 minutes and Kyoto in about an hour. Plus, all the express trains stop at Uozaki Station, so it's make the travel much more easier and faster. Oh, and the Sumiyoshi River, which is flowed from Mountain Local, just 1 minute's walk away from this house, and the view is stunning. Okay, now let's talk about the house. This house is a 4-story building with 42 rooms. Design features a calming white and wood color scheme. The house includes single rooms and a shared bathroom, kitchen, toilet, lounge, workspace, a small gym, a smoking area, and even a theater room. Follow me, let's check out this house. Once you get out of the Uozaki Station, turn right and head down to the stairs. But first thing first, let's stop by the local pie shop, which is right next to the station. The owners are super friendly and their pies absolutely delicious. I haven't tried all of them yet, but definitely worth checking out. After a 10-minute straight walk, we arrive at today's main spot, Gran Kobe Sharehouse. Right outside, you will spot the mailboxes. But what really makes this house special is the cute wooden deck. Security is also top-notch. Only residents and the staff know the entrance code, so it's super safe. Now let's head inside. As you walk in, the staff office is on your left, and the shoe boxes are on the right. They actually fit around 4 or 5 pairs of shoes, pretty roomy. Oakhouse really cares about the residents' comfort and safety. You'll even see the Polaroid photos of residents to give a warm community feel. Next up, the heart of the house, the lounge. And this one's special. Why? Free vegetables for everyone. The landlord owns a nearby veg garden, so the residents get fresh seasonal product from time to time. As I mentioned, the interior features calming white and wood tones, giving off cozy, welcome home vibes. Since this place just opened in 2024, everything's still super clean and new. Robot vacuum is always buzzing around, keep the floor spotless. Right beside the veggie fridge, here is a chill tatami space, perfect for tea time with friends or just relaxing Japanese style. There's a also smoking room, way brighter and more open than usual, with even a TV inside. If you're a smoker, you might enjoy it too much. Now onto the kitchen. 3 IJ stoves, spacious sinks, and lots of cookware ready to use. Strong range hoods keep the air fresh, even after cooking something heavy. At first, I couldn't find the tableware, but turns out it's all neatly stored behind the counters. There are 3 rice cookers, takoyaki maker, plenty of cups, plates, bowls, you name it. Which means no need to buy everything on the first day arrive, because we got you. On the left side, you will find food storage boxes for residents to keep their ingredients. Still on the ground floor, this floor has shared toilets, shower, and a laundry room down here too. Toilets are separate by gender. The laundry and shower area is clean, with good water pressure for a proper rinse. Ready for the movie night? Let's check out the theater room, also on the ground floor. It's soundproof to avoid disturbing others and even has a high-end projector for the ultimate home theater experience. You can log in your own Netflix or other accounts, catch up some favorite shows. Heading upstairs to the first floor, you'll find artwork lining the stairs, leading us to more shared spaces. Welcome to the gym. It's not huge, but good enough for light workouts. There's air conditioner too. Each floor has its own wash area, with separate toilets from men and women, and all includes bidets. Next, shower rooms, and the shower rooms have all been renovated, super clean. And don't forget to press the button to get the hot water going. There's also a bathtub, big enough for one person to fully relax. The powder room is actually combined with laundry spaces, come with 2 washing machines, 1 dryer, iron board, hair dryer, and a washing basin and mirrors. Girls, you know how handy this is taking off makeup. On the second floor, we've got a fitness room. Perfect for yoga or stretching. There's our yoga mats and balls ready to use. On the third floor, there's a quiet workspace, ideal for studying or remote work. The chairs are really ergonomic. They move with you and support your posture well. And finally, let's check out the single room. So for this property, monthly cost will be from $47K per month, which is about $330, with an extra $20K for utilities, which including water, gas, and electricity. Also, internet is free service. There's a walk-in closet that fits a lot of clothes, a single bed, desk and chair, a fridge, air conditioner, and indoor drying rack. Oh, and check this out, a remote-controlled bedside lamp and a touch lamp too. Super convenient. Now let's take a look outside around the house. Just 1 minute walk from the house is the beautiful Sumiyoshi River. Local folks jog, walk their dogs, or just chill with a book. It's the perfect spot for unwind, especially in the warm early summer. Such a peaceful, healing vibe. And that wraps up our house tour. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.